Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Root Beer here with question number 22 on our 2011 Grade 7 Gauss. A pool has a volume of 4,000 liters. Sheila starts filling the empty pool with water at a rate of 20 liters per minute. So it should take her 200 minutes to fill the whole thing. Just thinking aloud in my head as I read. The pool springs a leak after 20 minutes. Oh no! And water leaks out at 2 liters per minute. Beginning from the time when Sheila starts filling the empty pool, how long does it take until the pool is completely full? Okay, so there's sort of a time frame going on here. We want to keep track of what's going on. So from 0 minutes when she starts filling the pool up till 20 minutes, I think it was. How quickly is the pool filling? Just double check. It was 20 minutes, right? Pool springs a leak after 20 minutes. So in that period of time, it's 20 liters per minute. So how much of the pool is full? Well, 20 liters per minute times 20 meters, that would be 400 liters that's already in the pool. And then after 20 minutes, and then for the rest of the question, because they don't give us anything else, they don't say eventually the leak is noticed and it's patched, or a second leak pops after an hour, that sort of a thing. So for the remaining time, we're filling at 20 liters per minute, but we're also losing 2 liters per minute to the leak. So that would be 18 liters per minute. And then eventually down here, the pool is full. Right? So, at 18 liters per minute, we don't know how much time it takes to do this. Let's give that a name. T. So we'll say T minutes. And then the answer we're looking for is T, the time it takes to fill the remainder of the pool, plus the 20 minutes before the leak. So we'll make a little note to ourselves. T plus 20 equals answer. That way, when I solve for T, I won't accidentally then just rush over here and bubble whatever answer it is, right? I'll remember, okay, I add on 20 minutes. That sort of a thing. I don't know if E might be the answer or not. I have no idea. Okay, so we want to know T. How much time does it take from the leak springing to the pool being full? Well, how much do we have to fill? We have to go 4,000 liters, but we've already filled 400 liters before the leak. So that leaves me with 3,600 liters to fill. And I'm doing 18 liters per minute. So the time it takes can now be calculated in minutes. So 36 over 18 is 2. So I'm going to get 200 minutes. T is 200 minutes. So now T plus 20 is 220 minutes, and that's how long it takes. 220 minutes, that's it. That's how long it takes for the pool to fill, but none of our answers are written like that. They're all some number of hours and then some number of minutes. Right? So we need to say, okay, let's write this not as 220 minutes, but some number of hours and some number of minutes. Now, there's 60 minutes in an hour. So you could approach this a couple ways. You could say, all right, 220 divided by 60 is a little more than 3. So this is 3 hours plus something. Or you could say, well, I know for a fact that 3 times 60 is 180. So subtract that away and see what you've got left. Or what you could do is you could just change, by subtracting 60 minutes, you could just change every 60 minutes into an hour until you can't do anymore. So if I subtract 60 minutes, I'll have 1 hour. And then what would be left over? Well, 160 minutes. Well, that's still got a 60, so subtract another 60 and turn that into an hour. So now I've got 2 hours and 100 minutes. Well, we can get rid of another 60 there. Add on another hour. So change this 60 minutes into another hour. And 100 minus 60 would be 40. So, 3 hours, 40 minutes. As I say, there's a couple ways you can arrive at that. Oops, went off screen there. But 3 hours, 40 minutes, and that was that E? No, that's B. Okay, so there we go. Answers question number 22. 2 parts to this. We really, had to work out the timeline over here. Figure out the rates depending on where we were. Figure out how much the pool filled before the leak, how much was left to go, and then rearrange and solve for the unknown time there. Okay, very nice little question. I like that a lot. Got a good story. I will see you for question number 23 in the next video. That is the middle part of the Part C questions. Give it a try if you'd like to, and I'll see you for that one next time. Take care.